Focus SM Aura Application Provided Benefits APB Claim. Heart ako dyan kaganina, gagaling ko rito. Ito nga ako sa Pag-ibig SM Aura. Ayun. Counter 1. Ayun. Daming tao. So, this is Luminark. I think I buy it in the other country, but I don't know. The same Luminark. Look at that. It's beautiful. The teapot. Flower, oh. Tunay ba to? Ang ganda naman ng flowers nyo. Anong tawag niya? African rose? American?
American rose.
Hindi Bisaya? Dito na ako sa time zone. Guys, there is what you call Japanese sweet potato. It's cost 156 peso. I think it's per pack. And I just wondering what's the difference with the potato in the Philippines. Oh, ayan. Ang dami na naman rito. Ay, parmesan cheese. Guys, nandito ngayon sa SM Aura. Kakain ako ng Jamsang Express. Samjang Express. Ayan po siya. Hindi ko pa nahalo. Chopstick po gagamitin ko. Tapos meron siya maanghang. Then, water lang. Ayan. Ay po tayo. Ayan, paakit na ako guys. Katatapos ko lang kumain. So, ayan, aakyat na ako. Look. Buhay na yung look. Ay, ano meron dito ngayon? Tara. Tignan natin. Sino to? Malapit na tayo. Oh, ganda oh. Says here, love unfolds at Aura. May nagpapiano si kuya oh. Oh, diba? Ang ganda oh. Love unfolds at Aura. Diba? Ang ganda ng bulaklak. Mas ang dami nagpapapicture. Lalaki ng bulaklak. At diba? Yan ang bulaklak, oh. Love unfolds at Aura. Burger and Lobster open February 2021. This is no time for table manners. SM Aura. Burger and Lobster open in February 20. Kailangan ko open. Masarap to. Katabi lang siya ni Starbucks and Cebu. Ayan. Flower is beautiful. Look at that. It's awesome. There's a gloom. Truly unique. Also right over here is Aura Inari Sukiyake, redefining the Aura experience. National Geographic. Elevated the new Aura. O diba? Redefining Aura. SM Aura. Look at that building. Yes. Sarap gumala rito. Kaya parang yung sa Japan. Ayan yung tawiran. Hello guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to click like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po till my next vlog. And don't forget, if you subscribe to click also the notification bell in order for you to be update in my next video that I'm going to upload. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Mwah.